down and clear.
Going down the right side? Everybody's going down the right side.
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all. As long as you hug that left side so your tire doesn't get down into that V.
Exactly. Just hold it. Now, straighten your wheels out. Straighten your wheels out very gently. Watch me. Straighten your wheel. Hold it. Look at me. Look at me. Hold it. There you go. Good one. Good job. Yeah. Now watch me. Okay, straighten it out. There you go. Good line. Perfect. Beautiful. Come on down. Good job.
Most of the time, nobody wants to come down and drop off rock.
Good job. Come on down. See where I'm pointing? Turn your wheel that direction. Ease it down. Easy. Good, good. Okay. A little bit. Watch me. There you go. It'll lift you up and out. Okay, hold it, hold it, hold it. Now bring it down real easy and hold it straight. Don't move your front tires at all. Hold it straight. You got it! Beautiful! Good job! Good job. Just take it slow.
If they go attack somebody else,
They had to fold my mirror in when I got to that tree.
they're attacking me.
The tree folded in my mirror for me.
Did it?
Yeah.
It was like an automatic mirror?
Probably because it's
It happens a lot with me.
Ah, look at my eye. Ouch.
You got it!
She's smiling. Or is she gritting her
Good
teeth?
job! Wonderful!
I think she's excited about it.
And all the bugs are still there.
I had to put mine in neutral so it wouldn't keep driving me down those incline.
Yeah.
350 just likes to override the brake in low range.
Yeah, it's cool to this. Because you don't gravel it.
Now straight, come on down.
Okay.
Yeah. Beautiful! Blue is best! Blue is best!
To the right.
They had one go to the
He's still trying to go left. Go right.
That's it. That's what happened to me. The wheel got like locked in against.
If he's not careful, he's going to roll.
No one's taking the dirt back.
That's why you need a lift. Oh, he got that tire against that tree. That's why I couldn't turn it.
What happened?
There you go.
Hold it straight. You got it. Come on down. Your tire's not even touching.
Hey, oh look. That looks like it. Oh, his tire bomb. Oh, yeah. Woo!
You aired him down.
Yeah, 15. No, we had Hunter on. No, yeah. Hunter. That's not cool.
What are these bikes?
You said
Yeah, they're naps.
How long did it last?
Natty. Just like you. Haha.
I've heard.
Look how steep that is.
Oh, he went. Oh.
Stop there. There's something down there. You could have just
He's going up in the trees.
Oh, a roll.
Oh my God!
At least it's just a flop.
It's just a flop. Just a flop, baby. Got the camera? No. Good thing I didn't.
Who
drive,
up top's
Dad.
got a winch?
We have a huge floppage.
Oh, I saw him turn full left.
Run.
Yeah, it was too late. Too late. Well, it wasn't even too late. He would have made it down coming straight.
Yeah.
But he would have went in the ditch. But once he went up that berm, you have this. They're in your jacket. Oh.
Yeah, I got fixed.
Fender.
Oh yeah. Ouch.
Didn't even hit it.
Thorns.
Fine. I mean, that was actually a pretty soft flop. That was, yeah.
They hit a tree. That's all.
Yeah, there's a tree up there holding this back corner up.
Almost went backwards.
Yeah, you got a little damage, but nothing bad.